What's up, Forex lovers? In this video, we're going to learn what does a broker do, what do they offer to the customer. So let's go right to it. Let me give you the info right now. What is a broker? A broker is an individual or a firm that acts as an intermediary between an investor and a security agent. A broker can also refer to the role of a firm when it acts as an agent for a customer and charges the customer a commission for its services. Now let's look at what is the Forex broker. Different from an ordinary broker that could be a real estate broker, could be a financial broker. But now let's dive right into it. What is a Forex broker? Well, a Forex exchange broker or Forex broker is an financial service provider that lets you buy and sell currency. It's a bit like a middleman between traders and the interbank, which is a global market that allows you to trade foreign currencies. Traditionally, a Forex broker would buy and sell currencies on your behalf. But today, there are lots of online Forex brokers that offer trading platforms for you to trade currencies yourself. That's great, really opening the market. Before you can start trading foreign currencies, you will need to find a Forex broker to access the market. There are a lot of Forex brokers to choose from, so it helps to shop around and compare what they have to offer before signing up. In my next video, I'll be telling you about the top Forex brokers that you can sign up with pros and cons. Some Forex brokers are part of a large financial company that offer a range of investment options like shares, funds, and bonds, while others are smaller companies or individuals that specialize in Forex. Forex brokers fall into two main categories: dealing desks. Let me tell you about it. Dealing desk brokers or market makers set a fixed spread for buying and selling currencies. Dealing desk brokers are often used by institutional investors because they create their own market for their clients to trade in. The second one is no dealing desk. No dealing desk broker analyzes currency price from different financial institutions such as banks and pass the best one onto the traders. No dealing desk brokers are more common among individual investors or retail traders because it's harder for them to access the interbank and make trades themselves. Now let's talk about currency pairs. In Forex, currencies are traded in pairs called currency pairs. That's because when you buy one currency, you simultaneously sell another. There are three main types of currency pairs. We have the major currency pairs, the most commonly traded currency pairs in the world. Minor currency pairs, ones that don't include the US dollar. They are sometimes called cross-currency pairs. And we have the exotic currency pairs. Includes the currencies of a major economy and one from a developing economy. Most Forex brokers will cover major currency pairs, but not all offers minor and exotic pairs. So it's worth checking which currency you will have access to before choosing a Forex broker. Forex broker provides the platform where the trader receives price, data, and financial charts, which he will use to base his trading decision, place a trade order, and close a trade position. So you should really take notice that the broker grants you access to the market, gives you live information on what is going on, and this information is what you are going to use to either buy or sell or close. So that is basically what a broker does. They just grant you access to the market and give you some additional services depending. Some gives the ability to copy trade from other professionals depending the broker you have signed up with. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.
Hey, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do. What are you waiting for? Just click the red button underneath the video.